Hello guys, this is Mowers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are here at Olivares Plaza sa Los Baños, Laguna. At ito naman po si Person. I-feature naman po natin itong Bouncy Bam Bam sa ating channels. Kasi nga po, wala naman po akong magawa. Kaya samahan niyo na ako. So, ayan nga guys, kasi nga feeling vloggers po tayo, may video naman po tayo, wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-video guys. Yes guys, small space na siya dito sa Olivares Plaza, pero okay lang siya guys, and it's not the space, it's the cleanliness naman guys. So, ayan guys, bro, simple lang, o diba? Balls, tsaka mga trampoline bouncy slide lang siya guys. So, ayan, enjoy watching! So, ayan guys, i-flash ko na lang yung mga rules nila dito, tapos kung magkano. Kaya, eto na. So, ayan guys, nag-enjoy na si Besh ko. Oh, jumping. Go, Elise. Go. Ayan guys, small space kasi yung Bouncy Bam Bam. Kaya ito, they were very creative sa mga pinili ng trampoline slide and balls na nilagay. Yes, it's small but your children will be enjoying jumping, yeah, like that, you know, whatever they want to do. So, enjoy watching. And of course, mura po dito guys, kaya affordable.